everyone, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to share with you my zero waste cleaning kit, which is here, or zero waste cleaning essentials. These are all the things that I use all around the house. They're really amazing, very simple, you don't need much at all. I'm going to start with this all-purpose cleaning spray. So this is literally just 50% white vinegar, 50% water, and then I shake it, and I use this all over the house. So it's great in bathrooms, I use it to clean the shower, I use it to clean the sink. The magic with this is that I use it with one of these two little scrubbies that I have. So the first one is a biodegradable compostable scrub from Safix, and it's really cool because it's made from coconut husk. So after you've used this, you can just compost it. So you just chuck this in the compost, and there's no waste except for this cardboard bit, which I always take off and shred and then put it in my compost anyway because it's just paper. So that's really awesome, really recommend those. I'll put the link below where I find them. Another little scrubby thing that I use in the kitchen and the bathroom is this Kilo Euroscrubby. And I've had this for about 6-7 months, and I found it in a kitchen shop when I was in Brighton. I think it's called Burt's. Any Brighton people, if I got that right. They're about £4. You can wash them, which is great. And they have like, it's a bit abrasive. So really good for cleaning stainless steel. It doesn't scratch stainless steel, so it says cookware, non-stick surfaces, stainless steel, ceramic, and glass. Oh wow, glass! I don't normally do them on. I don't normally use it on glass. Didn't know that. So it's a great all-rounder, and you can also use it to clean veg, which I don't do, but you can. So I use literally 50% vinegar, 50% water, and one of these two scrubbies all over the kitchen, all over the bathroom. What else have I got in my little basket? So just to show you, this is pretty much one of the only things I buy in the supermarket now, and it is distilled white vinegar. The reason I get this one, the Sarson's brand, is because it comes in glass. Now yes, the top is plastic, but I always reuse these bottles, so it's okay. I'm going to use it for something else after. Haven't been able to find vinegar in bulk anywhere in Yorkshire yet, so if you know anywhere that sells vinegar in bulk, then let me know, because I would definitely go and buy like a litre, 2 litres, 3 litres of it, because we use it all over the house. Stay away from the plastic bottles that they have in the supermarket. And I think Tesco white vinegar comes in plastic bottles, which is silly, but Sainsbury's own brand comes in glass. But I just get the Sarson's because everywhere and it's pretty cheap. I've got 2 bottles in there just to show you. And this, which I don't have much left, is just bicarb that I usually buy a really big bag in bulk, and I can link where I find it from. But actually Zero Waste Club have recently started stocking it, so you can buy a really big bag of that in paper. And if you don't know Zero Waste Club, you should just go check out the online store anyway and support it, because he keeps stocking lots more new things, which is great. So bicarb I use all over the house. I actually would sprinkle a little bit of bicarb in the toilet if you're wondering what to use instead of bleach. And then after I sprinkled it around the bowl, I just spray it with vinegar, and then it starts to bubble. And then I leave it for a bit to work its magic, and then I just use our wooden toilet brush that we have, and I just scrub the bowl with that, and that's how it comes clean. So bicarb, white vinegar, water. This is an old bamboo toothbrush. It's got to be older if it's in my cleaning kit now, and it's really good for just getting into really small places, and then you're reusing it. It's something that you would have, you'd have had to pull the bristles out and not compost the bristles, they're nylon. Pull the bristles out, recycle them, and then compost this. Another alternative for this use, rather than just throwing it in the compost, after you pull the bristles out, if you have a garden, you could write labels on this, I read this somewhere else, and then stick it in the soil to indicate what you're growing, which I think is quite cool, and then you're not just chucking it in the compost, because it's a great piece of bamboo. We can reuse that, can't we? Lemon. We have lemon. Now the reason that there's a lemon in here is because, I'll show you, if you would like to make your vinegar cleaner citrusy, because lemon is has really good natural cleaning abilities, is that you can cut it up, save the skin, and then put it into your bottle. Alternatively, you can just soak the peel in vinegar for a while, and then when you transfer it into your bottle, you don't actually need to put the peel in your bottle anymore. But I think it's recommended that you soak it for about 2 weeks. So this solution has a higher concentration of vinegar, and that's why I have 2 bottles that are basically the same. And I put the lemon in one just so that I know which one's the stronger solution, because I don't really want to use any plastic labels. I've noticed that some people have those label makers that look very cool, in all honesty, and they're like black, but they're plastic. Like, the label maker is plastic and what you're putting on is plastic. So I'm not really into the label maker thing. So I'd rather indicate with something in the bottle, or just like a spot, or I don't know, some other way. So they're my 2 different cleaning solutions. I've showed you the 2 scrubbies I use. Bamboo Toothbrush as another scrubber, lemon, the magic of lemon, and bicarb. And that's literally everything in my zero waste cleaning kit. So you don't need lots of stuff to clean your house. We've just been conditioned into believing that we need lots of chemicals to clean a house, but it's not true. And especially if you have any animals in the house, or you have children, you don't want to be cleaning with nasty chemicals. So I'm much happier now that I have this in the house, knowing that if the cats came along and licked the floor or something, it would be all good. It would be fine, there'd be no problem. I would also dilute vinegar to clean floors, depending on what kind of floors, but probably like a 50-50 solution, maybe slightly stronger, but it works all around. It's an amazing all-purpose cleaner. And that's it. That's my entire zero waste cleaning kit. If you've got any questions, comment below and let me know. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Oh, yummy. We got 1 kilogram of brown fusilli pasta, 2 kilograms of brown rice, 500 grams of black-eyed beans. Beans. 1 kilogram of chickpeas, because